think I have a pink eye, but I'm not sure. Pimple. Hey y'all, it is your girl Tiara here, and today I am back with another video. So y'all, be careful. You're gonna get yourself wrapped up in this cord. Y'all, when I say, you see I got on my glasses, I think I have a pink eye, but I'm not sure. I don't know, but I'm wearing my glasses, give my contacts a break. But y'all, this house is a mess. When I say a mess, okay? So, I am going to try to speed clean this house up because it's a mess. I've been a little sad over the last couple of days, and my house reflects on that, and I don't like it. So let's get into this cleaning. This is probably gonna be a speed clean video, but I'm gonna just clean this house up because it's a damn mess. If you haven't yet, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button and join on in my little chaos. So on to cleaning. I'm gonna clean when she takes a nap, but I just can't wait. I gotta clean right now, so time to clean. Look at this pimple.
Say what, yeah. Girl, you know what's up.
Y'all, I had to put the little monster to sleep. She's sleeping. So I put the blanket on her, but she's probably gonna take it off anyway because she don't like blankets. But now I can get back to cleaning. And y'all, I had to fake like I was sleeping in order for her to go to sleep. But when she goes to school, she goes to sleep fine. They don't rock them to sleep. But she wants me to rock her to sleep. Like, I don't get it. Back to cleaning.
Say what. Ooh, girl, you know what's up. Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual raining,
Time to do the bathroom.
thunder, baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't hesitate, no, don't you?
Hey y'all, I don't know what day it is. I don't know where I last left off. I think that was 2 days ago. No, that was yesterday. Today is Thursday, and I did Amazon Flex earlier, and then I took a nap. Y'all, it took me like 2 hours to get home. It was so much traffic. So I was pretty much gone for like from like 6 in the morning to like 1 something I got home. Terrible. The traffic, it was traffic everywhere. So I took a nap. So I washed the dishes. I made little mama her oat milk. I didn't film that. I should have. But she's drinking her bottle now. And I am going to stay up and make juice. I need to make juice. I haven't made juice in like 2 weeks. So I'm gonna make juice, and I need to eat. I didn't eat since like 11 something. But I'm gonna put her to sleep after she drinks her bottle, and then I'm gonna juice, and I'm gonna take y'all with me. She is knocked out. I'm gonna put her in her bed now.
Everybody online and I'm thinking, and I really hope you don't mind. I can't fight it. No, you know I cannot hide it. Inside, I'm so excited that I finally decided. It's been another perfect day with ya. Wanna lay with ya, spend the night with ya, and spend my life with ya. Alright, alright, alright. Yeah, you heard me right. I'll go everywhere you go. You know I'll go everywhere you go. You know I'll go everywhere you go. Everywhere you go. Maybe while we're young, we should just have fun. We should just do whatever we want and tell everyone that we fell in love with each other. Ooh, we found the one and nobody online and I'm thinking, and I really hope you don't mind. I can't fight it. No, you know I cannot hide it. Inside, I'm so excited that I finally decided. It's been another perfect day with ya. Wanna lay with ya, spend the night with ya, and spend my life with ya. Alright, alright, alright. Yeah, you heard me right. I'll go everywhere you go. You know I'll go everywhere you go. You know I'll go everywhere you go. Everywhere you go.
Okay, y'all, I am done juicing. Don't mind my hair and my little bun. When you see me in this bun, you know this is mommy mode. Most of the time when I get home, I put my hair in a bun because my daughter be pulling my hair. So this is blackberry, spinach, and apple juice. This is carrot, mango, and papaya. Wait, carrot, mango, papaya, and pineapple. And then this is just straight pineapple juice. I needed to make this because y'all, juicing is, it has so many benefits to it, but pure pineapple juice, fresh pineapple juice, is good for vaginal health. And I feel like ever since I had my daughter, like my vaginal health has been like up and down, up and down. Like if you're a mom, you know, like it's just, after you become a mom, it's just so many things you gotta deal with. But I gotta clean up all this mess. Y'all see, I'm gonna show y'all all this mess. Juicing can get a little messy, but I'm about to clean all of that up. I would save the pulp and dehydrate it and use it as a veggie powder, but I don't know, I kind of don't feel like it. So I'm about to clean up and then I'll come back.
Oh, you got my heartbeat running away. Beating like a drum and it's going your way.
Do y'all disinfect your sponges? I learned that from TikTok on Clean Talk to disinfect your sponges because they carry a lot of bacteria. So after I wash the dishes, I make sure I pour boiling hot water over it. Or you can put the sponges in a microwave, but I just like the boiling water method. But ooh, y'all dehydrated. If y'all hear lullabies, that's my daughter. Lullabies, she goes to sleep with lullabies every night. So I'm going to end the video right here, guys. I'm going to just read my Bible and I'm going to catch up on editing. I'm so backed up on editing. I want to thank you guys again for watching. If you watched the full video, I want you to comment down below what you thought about the video and leave a purple heart. And I will see you guys later. Peace out.